What's up guys, back with another video. Today I have a 1996 BMW 750iL with a faulty rear shade, the electric shade that folds up and down in the back window. So today I'm going to show you guys how to fix that. It's been months me trying to figure out how this works. I've ordered a new one to take out pieces to put to the old one, and I did find out what the problem was. It's the spring. To put it back, you have to do a whole rotation, and it's crazy. It's crazy. So today, guys, I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay, guys. So here I have the shade assembly. It's off of the shelf, the speaker shelf. I took it off. This is how it looks like. You look it up online. E38 shade, rear shade, maybe E39. It looks similar to this. So that's the back, and this is the front. What you want to do is remove this screw from here. It looks like this. It's a Phillips head. It's a Phillips head. Remove that screw from there, and then you pop this off. It just goes off like this. You want to put this. You want to put this under. You pull up the shade a little bit. Put it under. Get it out of your way. Now you want to take a Torx bit, T10 Torx bit. And you have three Torx bolts with that, and then you have a 1/4-inch ratchet, and you unscrew all of these three. All right. Before I completely take this cover off, the spring will let loose. It will spin in there, and it could cause damage to the gear inside. And there's a screw here that has, it's like a limit screw. It touches the end of the gear and it won't move anymore. So I'm gonna unscrew this first, the limit screw, because if it spins against it, it will damage the gears. So I'm gonna remove that first. This doesn't have to be fully removed. It could just be sticking out a little bit, because it's just a little bit of thread that goes inside there, and it makes the spring stop. All right. So let's continue removing these. All right, so you pop this cover off. Maybe with a pick tool to help you out. You see? There's the spring. Oh, I almost hurt myself. But yeah, spring unwinding. You have this. This is what a lot of people get replacements of, because the worm gear, it usually, like, look, you can see there's a curve in. Luckily this one still works, but usually it's like way more divoted in, and it will not work after a while. It would just make noise. And then you have a little axle through it. You want to keep that in there. So yeah, this is the part that we're talking about. So you can pick this up. You can pick this up. Right? When you open it, it will do that. It will spin. And then you'll be like, how the hell did that go? How did it go in there? And that's the mistake that I made, trying to find out how it goes. As you can see, I went crazy with the picking tool. So yeah, you have the spring down here. Pry it off a little bit. So you can see it hooks on. It hooks on to there like this. And then this piece goes in right here. There's like a small piece that the spring goes in there. So you want to put the spring first, like this. You want to put the spring first. It clips in there, and then you just want to make sure that you put in the spring the right way, because this goes in there like this, and it tells you where it's supposed to, the spring is supposed to grab right there, the other side of the spring. And in this case, I put it on wrong. So you could take it out, and you just flip it over. And now the spring faces the other way, the correct way. And now, as you can see, that this side right here, the little hook right there, it will hook on to the back of this if I turn it. So let's do that. it was a little tricky. Sometimes you won't be able to seat it in there properly. So you just take your little pick tool and get the spring under so it can grab there. Nope. There we go. There, it's seated. So remember this, you backed out the screw, the limit screw. As you can see, I backed it out a little bit. I'm talking about this one right here. So now what you want to do is that you take a 10mm wrench, and where this sits, it's technically, if you have the screw in there, right? If you put the screw in like so, that's the limit. So for this for the arms to sit on the threads, or like the hook or whatever this is, this will have to be turned all the way to that limit, and then it sits. But this is not the correct way. So I'm gonna take this off. Put it on there. Put the limit screw in there. No, you have to back it out and do a full rotation, and then put the limit screw. So you back it out again. Now it's free. You take a 10mm wrench and you go all the way until the limit again. But this time it's one full rotation. The limit was around there. You thread the screw back on. I don't know if you guys can see. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. Thread the screw back on. That's the limit. Just keep holding on to that wrench. Turn it in if you want, all the way. So now, holding it there, touching the limit, don't let go of the wrench, because it will go. You have tension on the spring. So we put the little axle in there on its seating position, and then you want to put the gear. You want to push the wrench all the way to its limit, because we put the limit screw, and then we put this gear right there, right in the axle. Push it all the way down, hold it in place, and then you can remove the wrench, and the gear holds it. Now you want to put your plate on. You want to lubricate all that. I already did. This is just for YouTube purposes. So I'm gonna put that on top the plate. You want to put the wrench just to hold it, just in case, and then wiggle it in there. Plate is set. Boom. That's it. And now we put our screws back. So yeah, guys, this video shows you how you can replace the little worm gear. You can lubricate it. This is just a whole opening of this little box here, this little gear box. If you want to do the motor, there's just 3 screws right there. Tighten all of these up, and then you want to tighten the limit screw. Forgot to say that the limit screw size is different. It is a T20. Yeah, T20. Tighten that limit screw up. All set. Now we put the arms over. Set them down. Make sure it's in there. Then you want to put your screw right in there, and just the Phillips screwdriver, just tighten it up. Get snug. Now let's test. Put our ground. Put our power here. You see, it stops. Now, I'm gonna do it to the other side. Try it again. Good. Back it back up. There we go. So yeah, guys, that's how you do it. If you guys like this video, please like, comment if this worked, and please recommend subscribing, because I will be doing other videos like this. So yeah, guys, I never found this video on YouTube. I tried to do it myself. I figured it out, and it's because I kept remembering that when I opened up the new one that I had bought to replace parts, to transfer parts, the gear winded up, the spring winded up just like that. When I opened it up, it was, and I was like, oh, okay, like, I couldn't figure it out. I couldn't even do a full rotation until I figured out, like, maybe I could put a wrench. I was trying to get leverage on it, and I put a 10mm wrench on it, and I got the leverage I needed to do a whole clockwise full rotation. So yeah, guys, like I said, if you like this video, please like, comment if this worked for you, if you found this interesting, and please recommend subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one, guys.